Okay, so today we're diving into AI,
Okay.
but not the kind of stuff you see in the headlines, like robots taking our jobs and all that.
Right, right.
This is about you actually taking control using AI to get ahead
Exactly. Yeah.
in like any field, really. And the secret to that, prompt engineering.
It's huge. It really changes everything.
It really does.
Think about it this way. You wouldn't walk into like a fancy restaurant, right? One of those
Right.
really nice places
Yeah. Okay.
and just say, "Give me food." You'd want something specific on the menu.
Yeah, you'd have a dish in mind.
Exactly.
It-
You might even like ask about ingredients, how it's made.
oh, for sure.
Prompt engineering, it's the same idea,
Yeah.
but with AI,
Mhm.
it's all about giving those really clear instructions so you get exactly what you need.
It's wild. Like you suddenly have this ability to talk to AI
Yeah.
and it gets you a report. Some code even helps you design stuff. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius to do it.
Not at all.
We found this article, Prompt Engineering to Boost Work Efficiency Across Various Fields and the Use of Different AIs at Work. And let me tell you, it was eye-opening. It breaks down how anyone can use this stuff.
It's true. It really is about understanding the actual process you want to make better.
I never thought of it that way.
Say you need like a super in-depth market analysis for a big project you're working on.
Right.
Instead of spending hours and hours going through data,
I can imagine.
with prompt engineering, you tell the AI, your target audience, the specific things you need to know.
Okay.
And bam, it goes and makes you a preliminary report.
No way.
It saves so much time on that initial research phase.
That's insane. That's what's so different about this. It's not just about getting AI to, do something. It's about making it work for you.
Totally.
Yeah.
It's like your own superpowered assistant.
And this article goes into how it's already changing a bunch of fields.
It's everywhere.
So if you're in like content creation, forget about that generic copy. We're talking GPT models like Jasper. You give it your style guides, your main points.
Right.
And it basically writes your blog post, ad copy, even social media captions for you.
It's incredible. And for anyone in software development tools like GitHub Copilot are changing how things are done.
It's not just like a fancy autocorrect for code, is it?
No, no. It's way more than that.
Right.
It's like you've got an AI partner who understands your goals,
Wow.
and it helps you write cleaner, more efficient code.
Yeah.
That frees you up to do the really creative stuff.
The stuff humans are good at. And it's not just for coders either. Like if you're someone who's constantly like buried in deadlines and projects, just imagine this.
Oh, yeah.
Briefing an AI on everything. You tell it what the project's all about, the deadlines, your team's strength.
I love that.
And it helps you figure out how to use everyone's time best and schedules tasks so you're crazy efficient.
It's not even just about getting things done.
Yeah.
It's about doing it the smartest way possible.
For sure.
The article mentions how AI can look at old project data and tell you where things might go wrong.
Whoa, really?
Yeah, before it even happens. So you could be proactive and change things up.
That's amazing.
It's next level stuff, not just working hard, but working strategically.
It's like having a mind-reading project manager who never sleeps.
Exactly. And get this, even fields you wouldn't expect are changing, like customer service. Forget those basic chatbots with their canned responses.
Oh, yeah. Everyone hates those.
Right. Now imagine an AI that's read everything about your company,
Okay.
and it can answer complex questions, make each response personal, and even predict what customers need before they ask.
That would be a game changer for real.
It means those human agents can focus on the really unique stuff or sensitive cases where you really need that human touch.
Makes sense. Totally. And what's really cool is this article even talks about AI and HR, a field that's always been about people.
It's true. It is fascinating.
Imagine using AI to go through resumes, find the best candidates based on what you're looking for.
Right.
Or even personalize the whole onboarding experience.
It makes the entire process way smoother and more efficient for everyone.
See, this is what I love. It's not about AI replacing jobs at all. It's about it helping us do what we do best.
Totally.
Like strategy, creative thinking, that complex problem-solving stuff.
Absolutely. And this article called it becoming a force multiplier.
Oh, I love that.
Right. It really stuck with me too.
Because it's true. It's like this tool that makes your skills even better, whatever you're good at.
Yeah.
And it helps you get more done faster and with better results.
You're not just keeping up with the future of work, you're thriving in it.
And this is just the tip of the iceberg. This whole thing got me thinking.
Yeah.
The article is all about prompt engineering at work, right? But what about using it in our regular lives?
Oh, absolutely.
Could we be like those force multipliers? But for personal stuff, hobbies, even creative projects.
Totally. It's about using AI to make our whole lives better, not just work. You know, like take something complicated like planning a trip.
Oh, yeah.
Imagine giving an AI all the details. Plan me a 2-week trip to Japan. I want to see historical sites, eat amazing food, and my budget is X amount.
Okay.
You can make your whole itinerary. Find those hidden gems you'd never hear about, otherwise even translate stuff for you.
Oh,
Things
wow.
that used to take forever.
Yeah, seriously.
Now AI can just do it.
It'd be like having your own personal travel agent on call 24/7. Or imagine this, you finally want to write that novel you've been thinking about,
Right.
but you get stuck.
Hmm.
Right, you give the AI a prompt, like, write me a scene like my favorite author, but it's in a cyberpunk Tokyo. And the main character finds a mysterious message.
I love that.
It could help you get unstuck, give you new ideas, even make your writing better.
It's all about breaking those limits we put on ourselves and realizing we can work with AI. You know,
Yeah.
like imagine a musician using AI to make music composing, arranging, producing, or a history buff who wants to analyze old documents.
Oh,
Find connections that no one else has noticed. It could change how we understand the past.
this article has really blown my mind, honestly. It's not even just about some technical skill.
Right.
It's changing how we think about problems, how we go after the things we love.
It's like learning a whole new language.
Yeah.
The language of AI.
And that language is becoming more important every day.
In every part of our lives, pretty much.
So if you're ready to jump into prompt engineering, you don't have to be a genius or anything.
Not at all.
There's so much stuff, online tutorials, communities where you can connect with people, share ideas.
It's a whole world out there. And the biggest thing is just be curious.
I love that.
Be open to trying stuff. Don't be scared to mess up.
Mistakes are how we learn.
Exactly. Every prompt you make, every time you use AI, it's a chance to get better, to unlock something new.
It really feels like we're on the edge of something huge. And prompt engineering is the key.
It is.
So keep learning, keep experimenting, and hey, maybe someday you'll be the one teaching everyone else how to talk to AI.
I love it.
That's it for our deep dive into the world of prompt engineering. See you next time. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep diving deep.